Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Bengalis have immense love for their cuisine. When you talk about Bengali food, well, I personally cannot imagine their food without fish. They of course use a variety of fish, but today I'm showing you a very special recipe which, trust me, is very close to my heart, Rohu Kalia. On that note, hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin. While most Bengali food is cooked in mustard oil, what I'm using today is, of course, Emami healthy and tasty Kachchi Ghani mustard oil. Let's begin with a lot of it to begin with, because the first step is actually marinating the fish and frying them. Let's heat this on high flame, and while this is getting heated up, let's marinate the rohu. The first thing is to add in salt, and with this some holud or turmeric powder. Marinating with just as basic as salt and turmeric powder. Even if the turmeric powder is a little more at this stage, trust me, it's absolutely perfect. Let's release the pieces of fish in the hot oil and fry these. Mustard oil, in a way, is the backbone of Bengali cuisine, especially fish-based dishes, because it kind of adds in the pungency that's required for the cuisine. Well, Emami healthy and tasty Kachchi Ghani mustard oil gives you the pungency. It's also enriched with vitamins and takes care of your heart ailments. And that's why they say, "Dhas hai, tabhi to khas hai." The fish pieces are fried and ready. Let's turn the flame off and transfer these on a plate. The fish is fried and ready and resting aside. In the same hot oil in the wok on medium flame, I'm adding in some bay leaves. Along with this, dried whole red chilies along with whole green chilies. Also with this, I'm adding in a paste of red onions with ginger and garlic. Mix this well and saute this on high flame till the oil kind of just begins to release the sides of the pan. While the onions are getting cooked, let's also not forget in the whole garam masala or the spices. I'm using cloves, I'm using green cardamom, sticks of cinnamon, and finally I'm using Royal Cumin or Shahi Jeera, which is also one of the prominent flavors of a Kalia or a Kalia. Once the onions kind of turn golden brown in color, the next ingredient that goes in is tomato puree. Let's start adding in the powder spices. To begin with, roasted coriander seeds powder, followed by just a touch of turmeric. Remember the fact that the fish was also marinated in turmeric. Followed by red chili powder, cumin powder. Along with this, just a touch of sugar. And finally, some whipped curds or yogurt. Mix this well. At this stage, you would also want to season this correctly. Remember the fact that the fish had salt, and also you're going to add in half a cup of water a little later. So add the salt accordingly. Mix this well. Our masala is cooked and ready. Let's add in water as required. Mix this well. And this possibly would be the last time you're using a ladle in this recipe for mixing, because the next step is adding in the fish. This entire thing needs to cook on high flame for somewhere around 5 to 7 minutes or till the fish is completely well cooked. One thing of caution, this need not be stirred at any given point in time. Just in case you get tempted to stir this, all you need to do is just swirl the liquid a little, and that's all you need to do. With this, our Rohu Macher Kalia is done and ready. Let's serve this. Well, my Bengali friends tell me that this dish is generally made for occasions and celebrations. But trust me, I personally make this every now and then. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.